What is up, guys? Today I will show you the settings for Ninebot F40 that are available in the Ninebot app here. So you can see actually what you can control, what you can set up using the Ninebot app for Ninebot F40, F30, F28, F25, so very similar settings. What you can see here is a range, is a percentage that left of the charge, dashboard here, so it's actually speed, right, temperature, voltage, maximum speed, this right. Guard mode enable here also can be, so it means defense mode, then you cannot ride it. What you can do, just use it, but when you try to ride it will be protected. Also you can slide to exit this mode, and from the settings you have the light effect, so the tailing light you can keep always on. Also you can disable it, so as you see when you disable the tailing light, it's disabled fully, and only you can turn on is the brighten when braking or flash when braking. You can select up to a preference or turn on, so the lights will be always on, and when you press on brake you will have the brighter and or flash. It's very pretty simple settings. Also you have the energy recovery mode, medium, strong or weak. You have the cruise mode, you can enable it anytime or disable. In order to enable it and enter it, you need to hold for 5 seconds throttle. Although you've got the system, metric or empirical can be adjusted and allow other users to connect to this vehicle. And last but not least, device info, so you can check what's the range and other of your scooter. So basically that's all what you can do in the Ninebot app for F40 series of scooter.